In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Ask Parent on screen time on your Roblox account on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if your app is frequently asking you to ask your parent on screen time, then it means your account doesn't have a daily screen time limit and the year of birth is quite low according to the details you provided while creating your account. So if you set account for your child, then you need to go ahead and set a daily screen limit. To do this, go ahead and tap on menu here, or you should see more option here if it is available. Any of them should work. From here, go to settings and then choose privacy and content restrictions. And then from here, go ahead and choose screen time. Now from here, you should be able to see daily limit. Currently, as you can see, there is no limit, and that's why you have been receiving screen time notice. All you need to do is to tap on this and set your daily screen time limit. For instance, I'll go ahead and choose maybe 3 hours and 45 minutes. Go ahead and choose your preferred screen time limit according to your child or according to your preference, and then go ahead and save the changes, and this will be saved automatically. From now henceforth, you'll never again receive Ask Parent on screen time notice from Roblox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.